those places which I added. So which this place will be location. So I want to add the locations that I added. When I go back here, I have this location. So the first location I added was Okeodo. Okeodo. So I saved that. Oh, sorry, I didn't put my this thing as text. So what do? I edit it again. Or let's just assume that I will delete it. So I'm going to add a new field again. Name it as what? Location. And ensure that this is in text format. So that was what happened the first time. I couldn't see it. Then save. Then go back to my attribute table. Now I can add the location. So I said the first point was what? Okeodo. So I save Okeodo. The name of the next point was Okorin. I saved. The name of the location of the next one was Ojaoba. I saved. The name of the location of the next point was Ogele. I saved. The last point is Magaji Are. Pardon me for not pronouncing that way. Magaji. So these are the locations in which I want to check the elevation. So now I can do what? Save my attribute table and close. So now I'm going to use a tool. You come to your analysis, come to your tool. I'm going to use a tool. So what this tool does is that it enables me to merge my rainfall and elevation data and my farm location. In that way, I will be able to see the amount of rainfall and elevation I have on that particular land. Okay, so the tool that I'll be using is extract multiple values to points. So that's what we say here, extract multi to points. So this is the tool here. So I thought I multi values to points. So now input the point feature. The point feature is my farmland location, and the raster, as we know, the rainfall is TIF, the Ilorin DEM is also in TIF. So this shows that they are raster data. So I'm going to add the both. And my output, how do I want them saved? So I want my rainfall to be saved as rainfall underscore millimeter, and I want my Ilorin DL link to be saved as elevation. So this is just how I prefer my output. So in this way, what do? I run. So this is going to actually create. Alright, so it has done. What I do now is right click, check on my attribute table, and I can see that I am able to get the rainfall and the elevation of each point. For Okeodo, I can see that the rainfall in millimeter has been measured in. I don't know why this didn't show my millimeter for you. But I can see that the rainfall was measured in 15.39345 and my elevation was 334. So this is just the beauty. Now I know the amount of rainfall and elevation of each point. And the beauty about this is that I can also create a chart from this. Isn't that beautiful? So how do I create a chart? I go to create chart and I can create a bar chart. We know how visualization is important in analytics, and by this way you can even explain to your client using a chart to show it. You can export your attribute table even to Excel format and create more beautiful analysis inside. For here, we're going to be doing it in ArcGIS Pro. We're going to create charts. So this chart enables us to just see the beauty of our results. So while I wait for my chart to load, that's coming on. There's supposed to click on I'm working on my location count, as you can see. But I'm going to select my field. My field is rainfall and elevation. So apply. So we can see the beauty. This is really beautiful to me. And you can play around with this chart to beautify it according to how you want it. I can change the color of each column and even the names. These are the this is the label, these are the symbologies. I can come to axis. I can, if I want label character or not, I can have guidelines. There's so many formatting I can actually do to this to make it beautiful. So this is just the beauty. Can you see how beautiful this came out? If I want it to be like this, I actually like how that is. There's so many formats. There's so many. These are my legend here. If I want to add legend title, so this is just a very beautiful way to interpret your data to your client. So this is beauty of Excel. You can do so many formatting and many things here. So yes, that's how to check elevation and rainfall data of a particular point. I hope this is really explanatory enough. Thank you.